Hello, Freddie Collins here, sharing again. You know I love to share. When I was little, my mom used to fix liver sometimes. I liked it. I liked the onions better than I liked the meat. But I didn't realize until not too long ago the great value of liver. Now with the hamburgers and French fries and fish sandwiches and pizzas and all these good tasting things, we've gotten away from some of the old things that were really, really good for us. And I'd like to bring back to your attention this liver. I purchased a little pack of calf's liver, and I will show you. But I researched and found out the great value of liver. And listen to this. Liver is an ultimate superfood. Ultimate. One serving of it gives you 1,176% of your daily requirement for vitamin B12, which delivers our energy. It gives us 630% of the vitamin A, which is excellent for your eyesight. It gives you 114% of your copper, which balances your iron and helps with testosterone. It's full of selenium, which helps with the thyroid functions and healthy metabolism. Some people think that the liver has a lot of toxins stored in it, but liver gets rid of toxins. So there's no toxins stored in the liver. And liver is high in cholesterol, but it doesn't give you cholesterol when you eat it. It doesn't give you heart attacks and things like that. And it doesn't store the animal pesticides, hormones, and all the different things that the animals are given to keep them healthy. It doesn't store in the liver. So the liver is very pure. Every one of the amino acids that we need for our body, liver has 100% of it. Every fatty acid, liver has all of those in it. The vitamins, vitamin B12, vitamin A, vitamin 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, E, and even vitamin C is in liver. 100% of our daily requirement is in liver, and it also has 100% of the mineral requirements. Now, can you beat that? Now, I have this liver that I purchased, and it doesn't look very good, but what I've done is I've taken it, and I'll show you. I got a lot of the different spices, the onion, garlic, rosemary, and some of this tangerine, and sprinkled it on my liver, and then put flour on it, just a little flour. And I have my pan over here getting hot so that I can put my liver in it. Move these out of the way. And liver isn't good unless you have onion with it. You'll have to excuse my appearance. I've just been exercising, which is also good for the body. And as you can see, I have quite a bit of body right now. I have gained quite a bit with this COVID, sitting inside, eating those wonderful meals that you see on Facebook that Carlisle makes me. I'm going to try to do better. Okay, my grease is, my butter is hot. I'm using butter. And I'm going to begin to put my liver in the pan. I had only floured one side, and I'm going to flour the other side while it's in the pot, while it's in the pan here, frying. flour now and put it on the other side of it. And one thing about liver, you don't want to cook it too long because you don't want it to get hard and crispy. Like, you want it to cook a couple of minutes on each side. And actually, it can even be a little red, which is good. So I'll let that cook a couple of minutes on one side, and then I'll turn it over. Oh, here it is. And I have already cut up my onion. You don't make liver without onions. So I have quite a bit of onion. I love onions. Yep, I like onions. So I have quite a bit of onions here, which I'm going to put in after the liver's done. And the onions will have the taste of the liver because it'll be all in there with the different herbs and spices or whatever. And the onions are going to be good with it. So it's cooking now. A couple of minutes on one side and a couple of minutes on the other side. I'm going to get kind of brown and crispy, kind of. It's looking nice. You know, we have to try to have our bodies nice and strong, because if we want to serve the Lord, we need our bodies to be strong. And you see that nice crispy look on there? It looks nice. I'm going to keep on going here. I'm just going to fix those two pieces. There's two more pieces which I'll cook for later. I'll save those for later. Get your plate. I love the way it's browning. Actually, it looks almost like steak. An inexpensive meal. I don't see what the price of this was, but you find it many times in the freezer section of your grocery store. Okay. Here's it. Nicely fried, looking very nice. Okay. Fried on both sides. I don't want to cook it too long because I don't want it to be tough. Okay, I'll put it over here in the plate. This will need a little bit more cooking. Okay. But in my talk about the value of this liver, it should make you want to go out and get you some liver because it has so much in it. Now I'm going to put my onions in this. See the onion? And the onion is going to soak up all of the good herbs and spices that have been put into the liver and give them a nice taste also. And I think what I'm going to make with this is going to be some beet greens. Yeah, I'm trying to be very healthy. I bought some beets, which I hope to juice up, because they are so good for you also. But I have been given some nice beet powder. And this also is a superfood. And it is good for blood pressure. I was given this by a very good friend who was interested in my blood pressure going down. So I have actually emptied the whole container. And I have purchased more. So I have a big bag of it so that I can take it each day. Twice a day is good, but you get all the beets that you need. But I purchased some beets also, so I can use the greens. The greens are excellent. Cook the onion until they a little kind of sauteed. Actually, my onion doesn't even have to be sauteed. I like onion anyway. Actually, I hacked half of an onion for breakfast with my eggs. Yeah, I am a little greedy. But when you're inside, it's snowing here. When you're inside, there's nothing to do, and you want to eat. It's always good to have something good to eat. Something good for your body. These are cooking up very nicely. Very nicely. And what I'm going to do, since I'm just having this on cooking the liver, telling you about the liver, I'm just going to put my liver back in here, and I will do my vegetables later. I'll show you. Let me show you this pan of liver. Let me see, can I get it on here right? Oh. There we go. And I'm sure it's going to be delicious. It's too hot to eat right now. But I wanted you all to know the great value of liver. The things that God has given us, we don't even realize. We don't realize the value of these things that God has given us. But they are phenomenal, and they are here for our well-being, to help our bodies so that these bodies can be strong. Because God needs strong workers for Him in His vineyard. And that's what we intend to do, work for Him. And He's given us the tools. We just have to use them. Get you some liver. If you can't stand liver, there are liver pills that you can take. But liver is something that's very good for your body. Onions too. So I'm signing off now and thanking the Lord for the good things that He's given us. And asking you to pray for me. I'll pray for you. Let's have a blessed day. Take care.